Makes you feel better.
Okay, so I had somebody send in a geometry question.
Excellent. We like geometry.
I love geometry.
Cool.
I'm going to go to the board and do that for them.
All right, sounds good.
All right. What this geometry question is we have two lines that intersect right here in the center, and they create vertical angles. This angle here and this angle here are considered vertical angles. And one way you can look at that is if you look at the actual angle and ignore this stuff over here, it looks like a sideways V. This is the mirror image of that V. All right, so because this point is their intersection and I have a mirror image, the two will be equal. This side here will equal this side over here. All right, so we're going to set that up and set that equation up, and I'm just going to do it down here. I have 3x plus 8 is equal to 53. Now we just have a simple algebra problem that we have to solve. So you can draw your line. You don't have to. By 10th grade, you probably aren't drawing the line anymore. And I'm just going to take away this 8 because I want all the numbers on one side and I want the variable on the other. It's called isolating the variable. So a positive 8 and a negative 8 make a 0, and that's the goal. So now we're going to do it on the other side because remember it's a balance beam. You got to keep things equal. We're going to bring that 3x down. And I have 53 minus 8, so I get 45. Now, I've got to do one more thing because I haven't isolated that variable to 1x. I've got 3 of them. So what I need to do is either take this 45 and divide it into 3 equal groups, or I can just do that division because I want to make that a 1. 3 divided by 3 makes 1. But remember, again, what you do on one side, you do to the other. So x is going to equal, well, 4 divided by 3 is 1, carry the 1. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. I get 15 for x. So that means if I wanted to check, and I always check before I go and do anything else, I'm going to just plug this in. 3 times 15 plus 8. I have 45 plus 8, and I get 53. It worked. So I know that part of my equation or my problem is correct. X is equal to 15. Now it also said to find y. Well, if you look at this, and let me change colors, let's do green. This right here creates a nice straight line. And these two angles, y and 53, are considered supplementary. Supplementary means they add to 180. So if I do y plus 53 is equal to 180. And now we just have to solve that equation. So we're going to take away 53 from both sides. And I get y is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7, 7 minus 5 is 2, so 127. So y equals 127. Now, let me show you a little trick. How can you remember supplementary and complementary? Because that's where my students always get confused. Supplementary starts with an S. So if you draw an S, now connect the ends. You have an 8. So you have 180. And if you take complementary, which starts with a C, and draw the line down, you have your 9. And complementary is 90. I hope those help you with your geometry. Thank you.